This is my day 154. So right now I'm just about to sleep, and one thing that I am currently focusing on is being consistent. So um I just finished my workout. So I was thinking of doing workout before eating lunch, and every time that I have my shift, not really every time, but whenever I had my schedule. And one of the changes that I did today is, instead of doing these calisthenics that I am trying to focus, since I hurt my wrist when I tried my motorcycle for the first time, I did change it to doing a handstand push-up instead. So I was about to um, struggle on the elbow handstand, not really handstand but elbow stand and upright position. So I need to get used to my body being inverted. That's the first thing, because it takes a lot of oxygen from my brain to circulate, and that is one of the challenges in doing a handstand push-up. And also I need to perfect my pike position, because I've been focusing too much on shoulders. And yeah, I know it should be on the shoulder, but I think I should be able to balance myself as well when I do a handstand. And the struggles that I have is not really me not being able to balance, because I was able to do that. It's just that I want to have a wall in front of me or at my back as a safety guard. So it's more on psychological instances, and also this timer mode. So I need to take a timer and everything, and instead of me actually pushing my body to adapt or to finish the task, I just rely on timers. Like, if it hit 45 seconds, I'm gonna rest, and that's not really optimal, because I'm putting my limit in my body. And yeah, I shouldn't do that. And that's one of the realization that I have. And also um, taking a rest mentally. So I should not be using my phone an hour before I um, finish, or an hour before I sleep, so that I have a deep sleep. And also I should be waking up not in my deep sleep but in my light sleep. So I've shifted my